This ancient liquid revives dead soil overnight, no fertilizer needed. If you've ever stood over your garden bed, staring at cracked, lifeless soil and wondering where the magic went, trust me, you're not alone. I've been there too, watering, mulching, composting, yet the soil still felt tired, plants looked weak, even the hardy ones. Then I stumbled upon something ancient, something powerful, a forgotten liquid once used by traditional farmers long before chemical fertilizers ever existed. This liquid doesn't feed the soil, it wakes the soil up. Welcome back to SoilSage Chronicles, where we honor the old ways while gardening smarter. Today I'm revealing the ancient microbial brew that can bring even dead, compacted soil back to life overnight, with ingredients you have access to right now. Why does your soil look, well, dead? And why isn't fertilizer really the answer? Despite what modern gardening stores tell us, soil doesn't die because it runs out of nutrients. It dies because it loses life, microbial life. Synthetic fertilizers might feed a plant temporarily, but they do nothing to restore those vital soil-dwelling microbes, the real workers beneath the surface. Ancient farmers understood something we've forgotten. Soil health isn't about feeding plants, it's about feeding the soil community. When microbes thrive, they unlock nutrients, break down organic matter, fix nitrogen from the air, and create the soft, sponge-like soil we all dream of. So, while fertilizers might green your plants for a moment, this ancient liquid brings the soil itself back to life. The ancient liquid, Jade Microbe Solution, or JMS, is used in Korean natural farming. This liquid is known as JMS, Jade Microbial Solution. But don't let the name intimidate you. It's simply a fermented microbial tea created using water, a potato, a handful of leaf mold or forest soil, and a bit of sea salt. That's it. 4 ingredients. Low cost, high impact. The potato feeds the microbes. The forest soil introduces a powerful army of indigenous microorganisms, hardy, locally adapted microbes that know how to thrive in your climate. Sea salt provides trace minerals and regulates fermentation. Together they create a living liquid that once poured onto your soil, multiplies microbial life like wildfire. The next morning your soil feels different, softer, moisture-holding, almost like it's breathing again. Okay, so here's how to make this soil-waking liquid right at home. I'll walk you through it, just like we're brewing it together in your backyard. First off, you'll want to find a clean bucket. Something in the 10 to 20 liter range works great. Fill that up with non-chlorinated water. If you've only got tap water, don't worry. Just let it sit out for about 24 hours so the chlorine can evaporate. Next up, boil 1 plain potato. That potato is going to act like a starter feast for the microbes we want to encourage. Once it's boiled, mash it up just a bit and stir it into your water after it's cooled down some. Now for the magic ingredient. Grab a handful of forest soil or leaf mold. You'll usually find this under old, undisturbed trees, where leaves have been breaking down naturally for years. That dark, crumbly stuff is pure microbe-rich gold. Go ahead and toss it right into the bucket. Add 1 tablespoon of sea salt. Make sure it's sea salt, not regular table salt. Sea salt is loaded with trace minerals and really helps kickstart the microbial balance. Give it a gentle stir, both clockwise and counterclockwise. That motion adds a bit of oxygen, which encourages the right kind of microbial bloom. Now just let it sit. If it's warm out, you'll see it's ready in about 12 to 24 hours. What you're looking for are frothy bubbles and a slightly earthy, kind of fermented smell. That's when you know life is activating in your brew. How to use it for maximum soil revival. Here's where most gardeners go wrong. They make microbial solutions but use them like fertilizer, in small amounts. That really defeats the purpose. JMS is meant to drench the soil. Stir the solution once more and pour generously over your soil beds, containers, or even plant leaves. Don't worry about dilution. This isn't a harsh chemical brew. It's a living culture, safe for roots and leaves alike. Come back the next day, press your fingers into the soil, you'll feel the difference, it loosens, it smells sweet, earthy, almost forest-like, microbes are awake and working. So, why does this work so fast? It's what I like to call the microbe explosion effect. Unlike compost teas or, your typical fertilizers, JMS doesn't rely on nutrients, it relies on biology. When you apply it, you're not feeding your plants directly. Instead, you're colonizing your soil with living organisms that instantly get to work. They start breaking down dead organic matter trapped in your soil, unlocking stuck nutrients that plants just couldn't access before, increasing root oxygenation by creating these tiny microtunnels, producing plant growth hormones naturally, and outcompeting harmful pathogens and soil diseases. It's pretty amazing how all this happens just beneath the surface. And that, honestly, is why results show up almost overnight. Microbes multiply by the millions in just a matter of hours. While fertilizers depend on plant uptake, microbial life pretty much rewrites the soil structure itself almost instantly. It's kind of wild how quickly things can change. Real gardeners, real results. Let me tell you about my own experience. When I first poured this into what I called my graveyard bed, that was a patch where nothing grew for 2 seasons. I honestly didn't expect much, but the very next morning, the soil looked darker and, well, smelled alive. Within a week, my seedlings, which had been totally stalled, suddenly pushed out new leaves and deepened in color. It was, honestly, like watching a miracle happen right in my own backyard. Gardeners around the world are reporting these really similar transformations. Tomatoes that were yellowing are bouncing back, root vegetables are suddenly expanding, just thriving, and even the pest pressure is dropping because stronger soil creates stronger plants, and stronger plants release their own defensive compounds. It's honestly pretty amazing. There's just something deeply satisfying about using what nature already provides. Making your own soil elixir, well, it feels good. You're not buying into another gardening product promise. Instead, you're joining this long tradition of natural growers, people who trusted the soil's intelligence and worked with it, not against it. That's real beauty if you ask me. JMS, honestly, it costs near zero to make. No fertilizer bags, no chemical bottles, just water, a potato, a pinch of salt, and the wisdom of the forest floor. That's it. It doesn't get much more cost-effective than that. Maintaining living soil, the SoilSage way, means once you revive your soil, you gotta keep that momentum going. So, apply JMS every 2 to 3 weeks, especially during planting and early growth, and don't forget to feed your compost with it too. That really accelerates the breakdown and inoculates it with powerful microbes. If you mulch, just pour JMS right over it. The microbes will eat through it faster, creating rich humus way quicker than compost alone ever could. Eventually, you'll notice something. Your soil stops drying out as fast, earthworms return, and your plants root deeper without your constant intervention. That is when you know your soil has memory again. It remembers how to live. Final thoughts from SoilSage Chronicles. Gardening doesn't have to be expensive, and soil doesn't have to stay dead. The wisdom we're reviving together here at SoilSage Chronicles isn't just about growing food, it's about restoring respect for soil as a living entity. If this ancient liquid resonated with you, if you're ready to bring life surging back into your garden beds without relying on store-bought fertilizers, don't just watch, try it. Feel the soil, smell the earth waking up, there's nothing quite like it. If you found this guide valuable, please subscribe to SoilSage Chronicles, share this with another gardener, and let's bring living soil wisdom back to the world, one garden at a time.